The Advanced SC450 is a 20-inch compact battery-operated scrubber that's a very simple machine with a well-balanced machine where you just tilt it forward for operation position that puts the brush to the floor. You manually lower the squeegee, and then there's really only two switches on the dash, the brush and the vacuum. The water flow is regulated by a switch, a lever, a ball valve on the side of the machine. You can shut it all the way to off or on to full flow. Standard operation is somewhere in between. The sight tube here lets you know how much solution is in the machine. There is a clean water filter here that you can unscrew. Comes standard with a brush. Of course, a pad holder and other grit brushes are available. This is a standard poly brush, kind of the equivalent of a red pad. Side skirt is optional as well. Easy rinse out tank with a nice improved ball float shutoff. Easy to rinse out the tank. And a nice big pinch and pour drain hose here in the back, which allows you to empty the solution into a slop sleek or floor drain. Squeegee system is very similar to all our other scrubbers in that no tools are required to take it off. Tools-free removal of the blades. The blades are reversible. You get 4 usable edges. It's all done without the use of tools, just a lever. Easy squeegee adjustment as well. Right here to adjust the pitch of the squeegee blade once it's on the floor. Here's the cord for the onboard charger. So you take this off and just plug it into a standard outlet. And again, fully automatic smart charger. It turns on automatically. When the batteries are fully charged, it'll indicate here and the charger shuts off automatically. Up here in the front of the machine is where we fill it with the clean solution. Little splash filter there that can be used and left in place even when you fill it. Access to the batteries are here. If you need to take this off, you just lift the tanks out when they're empty. You can maintain wet batteries, and of course it's available with maintenance-free batteries. The brush comes off very easily, and to engage it, you simply park the machine over the scrubber, turn the brush on, switch, and then just get a little down pressure on the machine and the brush engages.